Tonight, stunning information released that pulls back the sordid curtain on Misty and Blake Seilhauer's marriage. Blake, a radio talk show host, admits on a 911 call that he accidentally shot at his wife last month outside their Madeira home. 9 on Your Side has court documents that depict a man his wife says was a sex addict, repeatedly sexually assaulted his wife, and wanted to have sex with teenage girls. These court documents filed in Hamilton County say Blake Seilhauer was willing to pay $10,000 to take a 13-year-old girl's virginity. These documents show he was indicted in Franklin County, Ohio, trying to have sex with a minor and videotape it. He pleaded guilty to lesser charges. All of these documents came to light after Seilhauer shot at his wife, Misty, last month.
I was taking my wife home out of the document with the shot my wife accidentally.
Today in court, his wife told the judge that shooting was no accident. Court documents Misty filed say she had just found out that Blake was having an online relationship with another woman. She says the woman told her Blake Seilhauer had an extreme daddy-daughter fetish. And when Misty confronted him, he admitted he was having sexual contact with prostitutes. She says she kicked him out, and the next day he returned home and shot at her. Misty Seilhauer also alleges that her husband admitted he was a sex addict, would repeatedly sexually assault her, and had downloaded a pornographic movie about a 14-year-old girl who lost her virginity in a gang rape, and would become violent with their 4-year-old daughter, including spanking and grabbing. Today, Misty's attorney asked the court for protection from her husband.
Blake Seilhauer is a violent, angry, controlling, manipulative man. He's as dangerous as they get. Please help Misty protect herself and her kids.
The judge immediately granted that request, ordering Blake Seilhauer to stay away from his wife and children for 5 years. Blake's attorney told 9 on Your Side anyone can make untested allegations in a domestic violence hearing. We will respond in front of the appropriate court at the appropriate time.